past couple of days have been busy doing things that I find visually uninteresting, so I didn't show you, but I'll show you the results soon enough. But today I want to try and do the thing that I've been trying to do, which is get to flattening and leveling these walls, because they are ugly as they currently are. And so plastering, but hopefully basically a skim coat is all I need. And I went to ChatGPT to find the right product, so I hope I got the right product. It looks like the right product. It looks like the same product I've been using, but just by a different company. After months of destruction and just chaos, this is rather soothing. And the product does beautifully. This is exactly what I wanted from this product. So, and this tool for that matter. I'm not going all the way to the top or the edges, because I'm going to have to come back and redo those anyways. But between the fact that I'm going to have to redo everything because of plumbing and electrics and the corners and the ceiling lines, I'm just trying to get the majority of it smooth and pretty. Absolutely magically exciting to me. Really feels like it's like starting to shape into something that I want. Oh my God, so excited. Absolutely thrilled with this result. So as you can see, it's a beautiful smooth texture. Just to give a reference for those of you who don't know, this is what our walls currently look like, which is so bad. And this is normal in the Czech Republic. It's just this pockmarked sort of stuff. And after sanding it then still has this, because basically I've sanded off the high points, but all the indentations are still there. So final coat to cover up all the indentations. Yes, this will still need to be sanded, but absolutely fabulous sort of first round of that. And it's not breaking the bank. It's not incredibly expensive. It's expensive, right? There's the good wall. It's expensive, but it's not. There are worse.
So what you're doing, honey?
Filling in the water damaged areas of the wall to reinforce them before putting new plaster over them to then paint it and make it all look consistent. But first I just have to basically stabilize the wall and hopefully there's no more water damage that comes through in the future, but at the moment to be honest, it may not be water damage, it may just be age. But because there's no water near here, but there used to be there is a chimney here, that's what this is. So it might be heat damage from sort of what this is. I don't know, but, so let's rechange that. Damaged wall.
Well, now it's definitely damaged.
Well, it's not necessarily water damage is my point. I said water damage. It could be any damage. Damaged wall.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah, when you can get the walls all consistent and smooth or to whatever texture you want, it just makes it all feel like, oh, that's actually a nice wall. Versus what we have been looking at every day for the past 3 months, which is not very good walls.
Can you help Daddy?
Hi, bud. Would you like to help me? Well, come on over. All right, here we go. We got a beautiful wall for you.
Mama.
Okay. Ooh. We would call this mud.
Wow.
For the past few days, I've been doing nothing but spackling, sanding, and so on, which I find very uninspiring to video. It's just sort of like, how much do you want to see of that? But it's a nice big wall, so I thought I'd do a little time lapse for this one because why not? That was Robert, who is Petra's cousin. Who unwittingly became part of this video. He didn't know. Yeah, some people try and get this perfect when they do it. I'm not one of those people. I try and get it pretty close, you know, to make it so that the sanding process will be easy on me. But I wholeheartedly expect to sand as the next process, because maybe just my technique's not good enough or whatever, but I always expect to sand. And potentially even patch any problems if I've caused problems. Or the point is if I haven't caught a problem, I guess. I know I'm going to get so much grief in the comments for my techniques or lack thereof. But in the end, I'll get there. And to me, that's all that really matters. What's very sad is this particular wall that I'm putting all this effort into will be covered by kitchen cabinets and tile backsplash. Anyways, so all this effort is kind of for nothing on this wall. And I just realized that. Oh well. I don't know everything's going to happen that way, so, you know, just in case, we'll still get this done up right. It's possible the backsplash won't go everywhere the way I envision it currently. There's a hole here. I was unaware of that. Yes, there's definitely a hole here. And even though it's not done, I'm done. I'm out of mud, plaster, whatever they call it. Here they call it super finish. Sorry, there you go, super finish. So it should give me a super finish.